Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So this help you display your preferred shipping option first at checkout. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here we can choose the shipping method. And here click on Click Reorder Shipping Method. So here to configure the rule, we have to give the rule name. So here I'm changing to OK. Now the rule status is activated. So here we can select the shipping method. Here I'm selecting Express. So here we can give the position number. Like here I'm giving the first position. Okay, before saving, we can go to the checkout section and let's see where is the express shipping now. Yeah, it is in second option. So we have to move it to the first option. So here and done this steps. So we can click on save. Okay, the rule has been created now. Now we can go to the checkout section and let refresh. Okay, now the express delivery is in first option. So because we have set the rule here. So that's it. So you have successfully reordered your shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.